Assalamualaikum guys, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to set up your family filters, the DNS cover for your family members. Mostly it's happen when you are not at home and your sons or your family members try to browse the Google Chrome. Then how they can just avoid the bad ads and videos from YouTube or from everywhere. Just go open the Google Chrome and then go into the setting, follow the video step by step, go into the privacy and security. Once you here, just click on the security tab and then just scroll down, you will get the DNS setting. Now click use secure DNS. Secure, basically these DNS will secure your internet. Secure means no one will track you, but not from every website. Some websites take your permissions to for access. So like YouTube, when you browse YouTube from first time, you will get a notification about access the proxy permissions, etc. So these are the things, guys. Now you can simply see here the family filter. Basically, family filter block access to all adult, pornographic and explicit sites. It also block proxy and VPN domains that are used to bypass the filters. Mixed content sites like Reddit are also blocked. Google, Bing and YouTube are set to the safe mode. So this is the way actually it's work. If you are using, then you can go with the Cloudflare or Open DNS, because these DNS are much faster than Google Chrome. I'm not saying that Google Chrome DNS are much slower or something, but sometimes it's not working with your location properly. Like for me, sometimes it's happen when I try to browse some websites, it not loading properly the images, even missing some contents from websites. So that's why I'm not recommending you. Otherwise mostly it's work perfect in Europe countries and some other countries, but you can select the Cloudflare, that works super fine. You can also try here the Cloudflare tool. It will not slow your PC and also it will protect your IP address. It will change or even hide your original IP and replace with the secondary IP address, so no one will be tracked or even the hack you. So these are the things, guys. These things are much important for your internet security. I hope this video really helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.